Chevrolet Camaro Super Sport with a 350 motor with a 350 transmission, brand new US mag wheels, and Mastercraft Avenger tires. Really nice car. Shines good, paint shines good. The interior, we'll take a look at it right now. Really looks good. All the door panels are good. Headliner is good in the car. All the seats fit right. Blue on blue, really pretty. Wood grain, really looks good. Back seat, no rips or tears. No fades. Really nice. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. Door shuts good, fits right. Take a look at the trunk. We have our spare tire and our jack assembly behind it. It's got a fire extinguisher. We have a CD changer, really nice. Not a lot of cars have that. It's got the mat. It's all been done right. Really looks good. We'll shut this and we'll hear how the car sounds. Take a look at the other side of the interior. Door panel fits good, looks good. Blue on the blue. Really nice black steering wheel with the tack. All the gauges look good. Radio, AC controls that work. It's hard to hear, but it is blowing. Horn works. Now let's take a look at that motor. Factory AC car. Like I said, it's a little 350 motor that looks really good. We got the booster with the brake, with the power brakes. We got a power steering. Just a really nice old car. We'll take a look at it. All closed up. 1968 Camaro, just really pretty. Really nice. Call us at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, 859-707-3899. Thank you.